Here's a hidden addiction that no one talks about. Validation. Alas sir, minsan di mo kailangan drugs para maging addict eh. Kailangan mo lang like, follows, compliments, okay ka na. Addict ka na. So, simula na ma-invento yung social media, yung validation becomes a new addiction, a new drug. Simula sa ating mga millennials eh, pero yan, tuloy-tuloy na sa mga Gen Zs, mga Gen Alpha. Every likes, every follow, every notification is a dopamine rush. Most of the time, you post for approval, not for purpose. Pero, the more likes, the more views you get, the emptier you feel. Kasi gusto mo pa mas marami pa eh. Ayun yung tinatawag natin na social media trap. Pinopare natin yung behind the scenes natin sa mga highlights ng ibang tao. And then you start performing, not living. Kasi you need that validation. Alipin ka na ng algorithm. So what's the solution? I heard it from a podcast, The Mindset Mentor. Yung tinatawag niya na social media detox. From time to time, iwan mo yung phone mo. Huwag ka muna mag-social media. Tapos, learn to do things na kahit hindi nakikita ng ibang tao. Yung mga achievements mo, yung mga pag-exercise mo, yung mga pagluluto mo, yung mga kinainan mo, being alone, nang walang pictures, nang walang posts. Pwede yun. At the end of the day, peace is greater than popularity. Try mo yan. Start ka ng 1 week na validation detox. Focus sa progress, not yung praise. Then tell me kung namimiss mo pa rin yung mga likes, yung views. Hope that helps. See you in the next one. Bye.